What's up, good people? This is B from B Tech, back with another video. Before we get into this next video, I just want to say thank you genuinely to all the people that have liked, commented, subscribed, and even shared my video to other people. I appreciate all of the love, and I don't take any of it for granted. Today, we're going to go over 5 tips for the non-savvy iPhone user. It is my mission that by the end of the video, you will be able to handle your iPhone more efficiently on a day-to-day basis. Have you ever been in a situation where you missed a good shot, whether it be, a video or a photo, because you needed to put in your passcode?
I've got something for you.
Instead of having to do all of that, go through all of that trouble, all you have to do is swipe left. How about that? It's literally all you have to do. So when you have your phone on the lock screen, what you're going to do is, instead of swiping up to unlock the phone, all you have to do is take your right finger and swipe left, and your camera opens automatically. How about that? You'll never miss a shot ever again. You'll never have to tell anybody,
"Hey baby, stay still."
None of it. Just swipe left and you're in the camera already. This is a bonus tip as well. If you give your phone to someone to take pictures for you, only the pictures that they recently took, so within that session while it was unlocked and you started taking pictures, are going to show up. So all of your camera roll is not going to show up. Tip number 2 is taking a screenshot. Screenshots are helpful for a number of different reasons. If you want to take a note of something without necessarily having to write it down, what can you do? Take a screenshot. Maybe you see a sale that's happening and you need to show the barcode for later. What you gonna do? Take a screenshot. Maybe you just want to be informative and see something on social media and you can't believe that they just said that. What you gonna do? Take a screenshot, send it to your best friend, and then delete it. All right, moving on to our 3rd tip. This tip that we're going to talk about is long pressing on apps. When you do a long press on Safari, you gain access to the reading list, bookmarks, or if you need to go into a private tab, then it's all there at your disposal. Another part of the phone that this works for is the control center. So if you have an iPhone 10 or later, then what you're going to do is swipe down from the right-hand side of the top of the screen, long press on the Wi-Fi icon, then you can actually see Wi-Fi access points around you, and you can connect if need be. Or if you click on the Bluetooth menu with the long press, then you can see other Bluetooth devices that you can connect to versus going into the settings app, Wi-Fi, or settings, Bluetooth, respectively. By doing this, it's almost like having a button under the icon, which is always a beautiful thing if you can figure out how to maximize the space that you already have. All right, the 4th tip is AirDrop. Now, this is definitely one of my favorite features from Apple by a long shot. This has been a feature since 2011, and a lot of people barely even know about it. Let's say that you are with a bunch of friends, hopefully not now because it's COVID, wear your mask. But before COVID, let's say you're with a bunch of friends, and when you take a group picture and then somebody in the group picture is like,
"Don't forget to take one on my phone."
All of this can be remedied by using AirDrop.
I could just text these pictures over, right?
That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked.
Thank you.
When all of these pictures come in via iMessage, you have to go through, let's say it's like 20 or 30 pictures. You have to go through each picture and save them individually. And sending them via AirDrop, they automatically save in your camera roll. All right, so first what you want to do is go to Settings, and then General, and then AirDrop. and make sure it's turned on. And then you can either leave it on contacts only or everyone. After this, you'll want to go to Photos, hit the Share extension, and whatever device is closest to you will show up first. But if there are multiple Apple devices, so you have multiple friends with iPhones and you want to click to one person's versus another, you want to click on the actual AirDrop extension. You'll see the rest of the Apple devices, and then you can pick the person that you're trying to send the photos to. Bonus tip, you can AirDrop more than just photos. Pretty much anything you can share with AirDrop. So for example, let's say you have a music playlist that you want to share with somebody. You can AirDrop it. Let's say you want to drop a podcast to somebody. You can definitely AirDrop it. The fifth and final tip is going to be widgets. All this means is that you can get to your information at a quick glance without actually having to open an app. All right, so for example, you can go into the weather app, or you can have a weather widget on your home screen. Another good widget that I love to partake in is the battery widget. And also the cool thing about the battery widget is that it also comes in different sizes. Bonus tip. Now in iOS 14, along with widgets, they've also introduced something brand new called Smart Stack. You can put multiple widgets on one piece of real estate on the screen and just swipe through. So you can have a battery widget, a music widget, a podcast widget, a calendar widget, without having to have a widget on each and every home screen. So this just takes up less real estate and it's more effective for using widgets. You can even edit this stack to show widgets. You can edit this stack to show some of your favorite widgets and delete some that you don't want to use. If you feel like this video has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share with other non-savvy iPhone users. Let me know in the comments which one of these tips was your favorite, and also let me know if you want me to do a part 2. Until next time.